Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today we're going to talk about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is any number of key value pairs. An empty dictionary, D equals curly braces. A dictionary, D equals A1, B2. Key A maps to value 1, and key B maps to value 2. Key rules. Every key must be unique. If you assign to the same key again, the value updates. If you have the same D from the last slide, and then you go D, key A equals 3, the new dictionary will be A mapping to 3 and B mapping to 2. Value rules. Values have no such rules of being unique, and they can be duplicated as much as you want. Common mistake. Dictionaries can't have keys that are mutable types, so they can't have keys that are of types like list or set. Iteration over keys. Same D we've been working with. For key in D, print key. This prints A and then B. Iteration over keys and values. The same D, for key value in D.items, print key value. This prints a tuple, A, 1, then B, 2. Length. Len of dictvar returns the length of the dictvar. Number of key value pairs. It's a quick operation. Access. Dictvar sub key. Access the value of the dictvar with a key of key. Deletion. Del dictvar sub key. Deletes the key and its corresponding value. In operator. Key in dictvar. True if the key is in the dictvar. Key not in dictvar. True if the key is not in the dictvar. Combination operator, vertical bar. Dictvar equals dictvar 1, vertical bar dictvar 2. Merges dictvar 1 and dictvar 2 together. Clear, dictvar.clear. Empties dictvar. Copy, dictvar.copy. Returns a copy of dictvar. Get, dictvar.get key optional value. Returns a value associated with the key. Return none if this key is not in the dictvar and no optional values provided. Return optional value if this key is not in the dictvar and you provide an optional value. Items. Dictvar.items returns an iterable object that yields all the key value pairs. If you wrap this in a list constructor, you get a list of key value tuples. Example, list A mapping to 1.items, you'll get a list of A, 1. Keys. Dictvar.keys returns an iterable object that yields all keys. If you wrap this in a list constructor, you get a list of keys. The dictionary A mapped to 1, B mapped to 2.keys wrapped in the list constructor, it's a list of A and then B. Values. Dictvar.values returns an iterable object that yields all values. If you wrap this in a list constructor, you get a list of values. Example, the dict A to 1, B to 2 values, wrap that in the list constructor, you get 1, 2, the list. Pop. Dictvar.pop key returns the value associated with the key, removes the associated key value pair. Merging two dictionaries. Dictvar1.update dictvar2. Merges dictvar2 to dictvar1. Does it in place and mutates dictvar1 so it doesn't return the new dictionary. Ciao.